Uchai, Nifo Baku. We out here putting these daily deposits in. In order for this garden to grow, requirements exist. It needs luscious, quality, alkaline water. It needs beautiful sunlight to shine 12 plus hours through the day. It needs nourishing minerals in the soil for the fruit to be high, nutrient dense. You feel me? Requirements exist when you put in daily deposits. You got to make sure that shit matter. You feel me? Y'all have a good one. Ucha! We out here in the garden. I'm out here solo today. Actually, I'm not because I got all the plants with me. The wife, Marley, Kylie, and Chloe. Chloe went to a prom yesterday, and so they're up north right now doing that. So I'm out here taking care of the garden. We got half of the field water right now, and this is our water situation. So this hose is hooked to a 2-inch hose that's hooked to our hydrant. That's about 300 feet all the way over there in the barn. We tried the drip line, poking the 2-inch hose and moving it, but it's just way too heavy to do and it's very demanding. And so we decided just to go old school and just to water it like this for now. The field we watering is just under we'll say an acre. It's an acre of land that we plotted to grow food on. And so it just takes a little time. And I call this daily deposits. It's also a sort of a meditation, you feel me? Get out here, talk to the plants, water the garden, and when the sun out, it's a good day, you feel me? And then after I get done doing this, I gotta run down to Cub Cadet and get this key switch to change on the tractor. So that's what we got going on today. So let's do it. We done got the field water. Now it's time to water these. The ground's pretty wet, so they got some water yesterday. Black walnut tree. Ucha. Yes, indeed. I got a cut around here. All right. And this is our straight juice. This is watermelon. Fire. This blackbird, red-winged bird, keep pulling up by me. I got a video of her. She's trying to holler at me. What's up? Everything good? I don't know. She want to be my friend. What's up? Everything all right? What is it? Hey! Get your ass back. What is it? What is it? What is it? I need to use that to set this up, you feel me? I don't know why she keep flying by me. I don't know what she trying to tell me. What is it? What is it, sweet girl? This is the Cub Cadet tractor I'm about to fix. So I'm about to fix this key switch right here. So let's go get that job done now. Got the watering done. Let's turn off the hydrant. And we got to feed Swim Daddy. There we go, Swim Daddy. And this is also a pollination station, so y'all see them plants in there that are growing roots. Thank you, Swim Daddy. All right, on to the next job. We got the field water. We got the chickens fed. Now I got to go pick up this key switch for the tractor real quick. Let's do it. For this mission, we got to take our road dog. Come on. Come on. All right, you ready? You ready? Give me some back. Yes, oh, Bella, Bella. All right, let's roll. Better go get this taken care of. We just pulled up to the shop. How you doing, Kevin? What you got for me? Let's see. Oh, nice. So, on our tractor, it got like a little screwy thing by the key. That's how I get it off. Yeah, I seen some videos. I seen this one guy take the whole steering wheel off. I was like, that's not the video. That's not the one.
Take off that nut and that little dash. It's got 2 screws holding it on. Take that out, and then you can reach your hand up in there and unplug it.
Oh, okay.
Through.
All right, for sure.
But then if you need to look up that part number, it's right on there. Write that down. 725-327.
Okay.
It could be a 925.
I see, because okay, model. So appreciate you.
No problem, man.
All right.
I hope it works.
Oh, I will. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Have a good one. So that box Kevin was talking about is right here, right under the key switch is right there. So this is the panel that he was speaking about. So we just gonna go ahead and unscrew these right here. All right. And so from there, the key switch goes right up in here. So I believe I gotta unscrew. I gotta loosen it. I gotta loosen this, and then I can unplug it from there. Let's see. We have to check this serial number, see what it's about. So we got that piece off, and as you can see, I can push this right out like this. Grab the key switch right here. Now, as he was saying, these clamps, see these clamps? I'm just gonna unclamp it right here. All right. So this is the old one right here, and this is the new one. And as we can see, the numbers are the same. 3277. Let's go, my man. So let's get it in. So what you do now is the same thing. Take this piece right here, clamp it right up in there. Take your key switch, put it right back like that. Might gotta turn it around. Yeah. Turn it like that. Alright, you take the clamp right here, screw this back on. Oh shit, I got it sideways. Alright, we gotta take that off. We need it upright, y'all. See how it's spinning? Alright. There we go. So I gotta turn it like this and tighten it so it stays straight. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's see if we can crank her up. We done got the field water. Now it's time to water these. The ground's pretty wet, so they got some water yesterday. Black walnut tree. Ucha. Yes, indeed. I got a cut around here.